Okay, ready.
Hold on, they're gonna sing happy birthday.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Laoy, ma. Pringles, that's not food, Pringles.
I know.
Bago pa niya sa loob, te. Oo.
So,
Christy, happy birthday!
I was gonna say,
Super shout out.
should we sing our happy birthday and start eating those cakes?
Yeah, we need to sing happy birthday.
It's also Greg's birthday. When is your birthday?
Next week.
Next week.
Next